My name is Edward.
Oh! Guys! No!
Marco.
Kuya!
Nice to meet you, boy.
Young!
Nice to meet you, okay? Nice to meet you.
Boy,
Sir, boy, here.
Maya-maya pa, muli silang ipinatawag ni Kuya.
Marco, sit down.
No.
Sa gitna, Marco.
No, please, Kuya.
No.
Marco, bakit ayaw mo kamustahin ng mga bisita?
Okay lang po, Kuya. Masaya po sila. No.
Mayroon kang special task.
Me?
Oo.
Oh, no, Kuya.
Sa tulong ng boys, ikaw ay magkaka-pictorial ngayon.
No, with snakes, no.
Kasama ang bisita.
No!
So boys, paglabas nyo rito, dumiretso kayong lahat sa pool area.
Yes, Marco.
No.
Marco.
Diyan, Marco.
Never look it in the eyes, huh? Marco, don't go stiff now. You're just chilling, man. It's snakes, man. Kuya.
Kuya, a snake.
Nakakatawag talaga.
Francis, no.
Changing skin. Oh?
Yeah, no.
Oh, make him run. They're risking it. Oh. Not the best feeling ever. Alam po.
Marco, jawline.
Like, there's no snake.
So, oh my God. I got 2 snakes on my neck. Oh. Snakes? Really? Okay. Marco, you can do it.
Tingin sa camera.
1, 2.
Yun naman pala, Marco. Kaya mo naman pala. Picture perfect.
Tama na. Please. Move.
Pagkatapos ng pictorial ni Marco, mukhang hindi pa aalis ang bisita nila.
Boys, hindi pa tapos ang mission. Ang mission ng ahas. Sa aking bahay, sa susunod na bahagi ng pictorial ng girls, makakasama nila ang mga bisita.
I want to mawala itong turn na to, so I'm gonna handle one. I want to.
Susunod. Oh my God. Ilang sandali pa, lumabas na si Maymay para muling sumalang sa pictorial.
Okay, there she goes.
Daddy, bye!
Let's go, Maymay. High five. Good luck. Go, Maymay. Loko.
Sit down, Liza.
Loko. Ready? Maymay. Wow. Grabe.
You know Grabe ba?
Maya-maya pa,
May, sa photoshoot na ito, ikaw ay may makakasama.
No!
Edward,
Close your eyes.
Keep your eyes closed. He's walking towards you now.
Go.
Maymay.
May. Meet your guest. Say hi.
His name is Francis.
Natatakot ako talaga sa hala kuya at napatay na kasi yun talaga grabe man ni kuya ako talaga yung ano sa ulo at saka buntot. Kuya!
Ibigay mo ang bisita kay Maymay.
You're good, Maymay. This is my worst fear, but you can do it. Oh, just at the back.
bakit ka nanila?
Wait, just sit at the back. It's okay, Maymay. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's okay.
Mananalo tayo.
You can do it. It's not. It's promise. We experienced it before. But you can do it. Marco had his own tutorial. Promise, Maymay. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, Maymay. You can do this. Christian, I want to do it. Maymay, you can do this, yeah? You can do it. It's actually really nice. His name is Francis. If they hit, it's normal. Don't.